Common buzzard. The common buzzard, Toto, is a medium-sized bird of prey belonging to the family Acciptridae. It is one of the most widespread and well-known raptors found in Europe and parts of Asia. Here are some key characteristics and information about the common buzzard. Number 1. Appearance. The common buzzard is a stocky bird with a wingspan ranging from about 110 to 150 centimeters, approximately 43 to 59 inches. It has broad wings and a short neck, with a slightly hooked beak. The plumage can vary in color, but it typically includes shades of brown, black, and white. The underparts are pale with dark streaks, and the upper parts are mottled and vary from light to dark brown. Number 2. Distribution. As the name suggests, the common buzzard is a widespread species found across Europe, including the British Isles, and parts of Asia. It is a resident species in many regions but can also migrate short distances during harsh weather conditions. Number 3. Habitat. These birds are adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, woodlands, open countryside, farmlands, and even suburban areas. They prefer habitats with open fields for hunting and nearby woodlands for nesting. Number 4. Diet. Common buzzards are opportunistic hunters and mainly feed on small mammals, birds, reptiles, and occasionally carrion. Their diet can vary depending on the availability of prey in their habitat. Number 5. Behavior. Buzzards are known for their soaring flight, often seen circling high in the sky. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them spot prey from great distances while in flight. When hunting, they may hover in the air before swooping down to catch their prey. Number 6. Breeding. These birds build large nests made of sticks, lined with grass and leaves, typically placed in trees or on rocky outcrops. The breeding season varies across their range but generally occurs in spring. They lay 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents take part in incubating the eggs and caring for the young. Number 7. Conservation status. The common buzzard is considered a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Their populations have remained relatively stable, and they are not currently facing significant threats on a global scale. The common buzzard, like any other species, faces several biological challenges in its natural environment. Some of these challenges include: Number 1. Predation. Despite being a raptor and a formidable predator itself, the common buzzard may face predation from larger birds of prey, such as eagles or other apex predators. Additionally, their eggs and young chicks are vulnerable to predation by various animals, including other birds and mammals. Number 2. Competition for resources. In areas where resources are limited, common buzzards may have to compete with other raptors and scavengers for food, nesting sites, and territories. Competition can be particularly intense during times when prey populations are low. Number 3. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Human activities, such as deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion, can lead to the destruction and fragmentation of the common buzzard's natural habitats. This loss of suitable nesting and foraging areas can have a negative impact on their population. Number 4. Climate change. Climate change can disrupt ecosystems, affecting prey availability and altering migration patterns. Changes in temperature and weather patterns may also influence the timing of breeding and migration for the common buzzard, potentially affecting their reproductive success. Number 5. Pesticides and pollutants. Common buzzards are exposed to various environmental pollutants, including pesticides used in agriculture. These substances can accumulate in their bodies and have adverse effects on their health, reproduction, and survival. Number 6. Collisions with human structures. As the common buzzard often soars at significant heights, they may be at risk of colliding with tall structures, such as power lines or wind turbines. These collisions can result in injury or death. Number 7. Disease and parasites. Like all living organisms, the common buzzard is susceptible to various diseases and parasites that can affect its health and survival. Disease outbreaks or parasitic infestations can have a significant impact on local populations. Number 8. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native species, whether predators, competitors, or diseases, can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems and negatively affect the common buzzard's food sources and nesting sites.